Well, alright, we're jamming.
My life is for people, that I can be beneficial to a people.
And I hope you like jamming too.
In Jamaica, with the support of the Jamaican people, we traveled Bob's journey.
Being in the actual places where these things happen is very special.
It would be an injustice to not have Jamaica's energy in this film.
Just seated in Mount Zion.
We shot up and down the streets of Trenchtown to add authenticity.
Bob Marley, let him through.
Going into Hope Road and seeing where he recorded just activates your imagination.
I wanna jam it with you.
We shot at Strawberry Hill, a location that played a huge role in Bob's life.
And that's where Bob went, and we went too, after the shooting.
If you don't play the show, then they win.
Am I right, man?
We shot the big concert scenes here that actually took place here.
We're creating something special to gift to a legend in his own country.
I was there at the One Love concert. My father being my father, to spread a message of love and unity. This is how we are, following in his footsteps.
Every day in Jamaica was magic in that way.